not many places in Canberra to go, so I'm surprised we found a place only 30 minutes drive from Canberra. Yeah, let's see. We're almost there to our Airbnb. There was instruction to go in here, Stella Gardens. There's this big sign as well. Wow. And there's a tiny house. Oh my god. I'm gonna take you guys room tour, house tour. Oh my god. Let's go inside. Oh my god, it's really tiny. Oh, but oh my god, it's so pretty. Fire pit as well. Hi.
Hola.
We're going for a walk. Say hi.
Hello, hola, ¿cómo estás?
Our main goal for this trip is
What? What is the main goal?
stargazing.
तर sky is not skying एकदम हल्का
Yeah, sky is not skying, cloudy tha, but I'm hoping it will clear up by the night and we get to see beautiful stars.
Yeah.
Like me. So our Airbnb host, they also do hip camping, and they have this garden area where you can do and host events like weddings, birthday party, whatever you like, and you get a bonus view of the lake here. And my man,
Best
cheers.
How does that first drink taste?
Nectar.
I had to live a little low. Yeah, I had to cut a bill off.
One eternity later.
I had to live a little low. Yeah, I had to cut a bill off.
We are going to Woolies cause why?
Why are we going to Woolies?
Why are we going to Woolies, Sula? Please tell us.
Honey, I forgot to put all of our dinner in the bag. We left everything in the freeze, nothing to eat.
Yes. Sulabh being Sulabh, he does these kind of things all the time. It's nothing new for me. So now we are going to Woolies to get some dinner and survive for the night.
Yes,
All thanks to Sulabh.
this is just part of surprise. Make the trip more interesting.
Yeah. We lit the fire, it was all good to go, and Sulabh was going to get our dinner from the freeze, which is back in Canberra, not here. In 5 minutes we got everything and now heading back. We are back! Less than 1 hour. was such a relaxing getaway. We had so much fun. Now we're heading back to Canberra.
Today we are doing something really interesting. We're going shooting today. First time shooting a gun. How are you feeling?
I'm really excited. This is something I've been wanting to do for 4-5 years now. Finally getting to do it, so I'm really excited.
I don't know what was that. Alright, let's see how it is. Ui.
Right-handed.
Pardon?
You ready?
Has anyone shot before? Yes.
No, first time.
Alright, we're going to have fun. But I need your full attention. Safety is the first thing we worry about. When your gun is like this, it's open, it means safe. If we move and travel, guns on shoulders, heads on barrels. Just be careful, not one in the head. Okay? You will place your gun when I say to, otherwise it's good. We're going to shoot one shot at a time, bottom barrel. Then we'll shoot two, both barrels. Okay? Safety.
Are you ready? All excited. So the target is gonna come out from that number 2 box. Don't know if you can see it, and then we'll be shooting over there.
Up high. Ready? Down. And above the number 2. Yeah, that's good.
Alright, pull.
Yeah, good.
Oh.
Now, and pull.
I got one.
You did. Well done. See the kangaroo? Still alive. Alright, good man.
2 targets already.
I've been trying really hard, but it's quite difficult. It's quite heavy, this gun, and I'm finding it really hard to hold it. I'm trying my best. I want to hit at least one, but let's see.
I'm going to help.
Oh, okay.
Wait forward. Yeah. Oh. Nearly. Yep.
Pull.
Alright, pull.
Yes.
Yeah, I got it.
Good man.
4th one for the night.
Hey, so some feedback from me. You know how I'm so petite. This gun is pretty heavy on me. My hands, my shoulder, my cheeks are a little bit sore, and I haven't hit any. But luckily, Sulab has done some wonderful, wonderful job in hitting his targets. How many? 6. And he did, like, one time he did 2 on 2, which is pretty good. For me, it's 0. So these are all the cells from our bullets. I don't know the exact word for it, but this is what comes out after you shoot. With our scores, I did 0 out of 30, and with Sulav he did 7 out of 30, which is pretty good for a first timer.
Have fun?
Yes, definitely did.
You come back again?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll try at least one.
Don't worry. Yes, and make sure nothing in your pockets.
Yeah. Okay, tell me about your experience. How was it?
It was really good. Basically, because I think I hit 7 targets in the first go, and I was the second highest scorer. Felt really good deep down inside. So basically, what you have to do is you gotta stop breathing when you're shooting, right? Keep your eye focused at the end of the gun's point. I don't know what he was saying, what he was calling it, but yeah, just keep your eyes like that. Lean forward, don't breathe. Bam, bam, bam. That's how we shoot. How was it for you?
For me, it was a lot of fun as well. Even though I didn't hit any targets, it was my first time trying it, and I really wanted to do it for quite a long time. I really had fun. The gun was quite heavy for me, but there's always next time. I'm gonna come back and hit at least one target. So the main part of this gun shooting that made it a little bit difficult was it was a moving clay. It comes from kind of a box and it flies over
Yeah.
our target like shooting point, and we just have to hit it. So it
And
was
first
pretty
time
tough,
ever,
yeah.
yeah. First time ever shooting a moving object, and that also it was really small. So I think it was really good. And Kritika was really close. The guy
Yeah,
was also really focused on like trying to get her to hit one.
yeah.
But yeah, we'll definitely be back next time.
But we are here at Majura Gun Club. So much fun, but bye for now.